I would like to introduce what is it, the Wildlife Tracker for Oceans. So we are 4 team members. Me, that I am actually geospatial developer. I'm creating the platform. Sophia Green, who is a marine biologist. Actually, she's working in Galapagos Islands and she's working with conservation of whale sharks. Chan, who is actually organizing all the work, and I would say she's kind of a Scrum Master part of the team. And Ederson, who is the person in charge of creating digital products for sharing, for awareness of people. So, well, first of all, what is the Wildlife Tracker for Oceans? So it is simply a cloud share framework that is dedicated to real-time movement analysis of wildlife tracking datasets. It has a connection to Argus satellite, so you can actually take a look of the movements of your marine wildlife in the same way you're looking here. This is just a screenshot of the platform. You can access by secure credentials, so all your data is going to be safe, and we never store these datasets. And this is just the first look of you as a user. Well, then, what is it able to? It is able to retrieve ocean monitoring data products from open services, for example, Blue Cloud. First of all, thanks for Blue Cloud, we have the chance to test with phytoplankton products, and you're able actually to choose the date where you want to overlap this movement data. So, well, I will explain you why this is useful. Well, one of the main things we have done during these last months is the implementation on Galapagos Islands, thanks to the Galapagos We Share project. So you can see in this picture, she's Sophie, she's part of the team, and she works tagging whale sharks in the Galapagos Islands. So it's actually quite inspiring. After she puts the tags on the whale sharks, we connect the wildlife tracker to Argos, and we start doing the visualizations. So then why are we doing this? So this is just an example from the hackathon. What we did is to understand how the concentration of phytoplankton changed during the year. And we realized that when the concentration of phytoplankton goes to specific places, the migration of marine wildlife is also going to the same places. So we noticed that the marine spatial planning has some gaps in the delimitation of marine protected areas based on these meaningful spots. So what we want is to support data-driven decisions for marine spatial planning, specifically based on marine megafauna habitat. So specifically to whom we are creating this product is to marine scientists and institutions dedicated to marine conservation and movement ecology who are willing to support marine spatial planning. So I'll show you here. This is just a flyer because we are going to give some events probably next month and also in July related to Blue Cloud and how you can use the products of Blue Cloud and Wildlife Tracker. So please, I recommend you to stay tuned in our Twitter account so you can follow what it is going on with the development of the Wildlife Tracker. We have some products coming in the next months. Just adding the visualization, the movement of wildlife with ecogeographical changes of the ocean, and creating products that can be used for statistical modeling. I would like to show you just a quick video about what we have done for the implementation. So, well, that's it. So please try to visit us in our website. If you have more questions, you can also contact our website. We have a gallery. Also, we have an online demo and more descriptions about the Cloud Share framework. So I would say thank you, Blue Cloud, and thank you everybody for listening.